We're back with the Cavalier. We got a new fuel pump in it. I ended up just going with a stock replacement just to get it driving, so I can make sure that it doesn't have any more issues before we put boost to it.
You could put boost to it with that fuel pump too.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that fuel pump's probably good to about 300 horse, which it won't be making that much out of the hole anyway.
No, 6 pounds started off and then work your way up.
It'll probably be about 240, 250 at the wheels when it comes back out. Once it's actually boosted. I still have to get a few more things before that happens. I have to make a bracket for my wastegate. I have to get a boost controller, and I have to get a boost gauge and a tune. So, just a handful of things I got to finish up after this, but we're gonna get it drive it for a few weeks, and make sure that everything's good. We're not gonna run any more issues like we did on the fuel pump.
Because it has been sitting for 4 years now.
Yeah.
It's been 4 years now.
I don't want to get in this and boost it and then be full boost going down the street and it do Cavalier things like rush the fuel line out. So we're going to make sure it's going to be good before that. Surprisingly, even though the temperatures have been in the negatives the past week or 2 weeks, we still have air pressure in all the tires. So I think the tires are all good. I'll get to save some money there and spend it somewhere else.
The tires are good. This one has a 6-month leak. So it's
every tire has a 6-month leak.
I know that front passenger tire is brand new. I just bought it when it got parked.
I think even brand new tires have 6-month leaks.
Well, this is the only one we've had to air up in the last 4 years.
Probably should put a new fuel filter on it.
And didn't you?
But
oh yeah, no, let it catch everything first.
yeah, there's a bunch of junk in this tank. If y'all remember from the last video.
Yeah, let it catch all that first and then change it out.
See, this goes up here. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's all coming back to me.
You're about to have to start it here in a second.
Huh?
Like you're not putting that all the way in, are you? You need some gas.
Well, I have to get it leaned up in there. I don't have any fuel.
Well, you need some. Pour this diesel in it.
Oh shit, I need this. Where's it at?
You just lifted the car with the tank.
Obviously, this is not a how-to video. Otherwise, I'd be going more in depth about everything that's going on. This is just to give y'all an update about what's going on with the turbo rig. Here we go. Now here's that plug. Oh man, that's a. There we go.
That extension is too long.
Oh man. For any new people seeing this video, this is what we're working with.
Dookie. Yeah, we're gonna throw about 70 psi through it and see what happens.
Well, it's only a series on YouTube of an actual Cavalier build.
I haven't seen another build. I have seen other finished products, but I have not seen another build.
There's still a few things I have to straighten up, but it'll be drivable nonetheless. Let's see. I don't remember where the old 2 cents wire is, though. I'll have to find it.
It's hanging down there.
I know that.
For those of you who don't know, the battery is going in the back of this car.
Has to.
Because this is where it used to go. Where the computer is now. And that pop kind of blocked any chance of putting a battery there.
And it has started since we relocated everything. It's just we tried to start it this time, and oh, I mean the rest is history.
You gonna see if that pump kicks on? Or what are you doing?
I gotta pop the trunk.
Oh yeah. For those of you who don't know, this is not the factory trunk on this car. So the key doesn't open it.
I'll have to do something up here too.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, I'll probably just hook that to that and wrap a bunch of tape around it.
We got fuel in it now. Made a mess. But there's a little bit in there. It's out of gas.
Huh?
It's out of gas.
It's getting that old gas that's in the line out.
Maybe. The sensor might be getting a funny reading. Hey, is the wastegate open or closed right now? What? Is the wastegate open or closed right now? Open. Yeah, it's not getting very much air.
Let's see if it starts back up easy.
It will.
That fuel pump is bad.
I deem that reliable.
There's no gas that time. I didn't have to give it any. Yeah, it was just, it had the old gas still in the lines and stuff.
Well, that's it.
In about 2 days, it'll be on the road.
Well, for y'all, it'll be in the next video.
Yeah.
Because that's the end of this one. But there it was running. It does run. Wow. I don't know if there's any or how much, if there is, water in these. In this intercooler, because it's set open right there for a long time. Is it still open? No, it's closed. It's set open for a while.
Yeah, as it sucks air through it, it'll slowly evaporate the water.
You won't want to be getting on it when it starts slowly evaporating.
I'll just have to put it around. Like I said, I got to put it around for 2 weeks anyway.
Yeah. Well,
not to mention the heat. going through there.
I'd just leave that open if I was you.
Yeah, I got you.
That's it. Yeah, and this hot right here.
Next video, we're actually gonna plug the reservoir neck. So this hose right here, we're gonna get it filled up. We're gonna get the hole in the hood, and we're gonna get an O2 sensor in it. Then we'll be good to go. Good to drive.
And you're gonna get this hose right here off that hot exhaust.
I can do that now.
That's what I'm saying. I smelled it. I can smell it.
I wonder if it's even that hot.
Yeah, grab it.
That's pretty hot.
Yeah, it's running for quite a bit there, and you revved it a few times. Next time we'll drive it.
Yeah, we're gonna take it around the block tomorrow.
Next video.